bids from four bidders who are buying for the maintenance and operations of the NAIA. And since then, we had evaluated the bids. No? And today, we are pleased to announce that we will award this project to the winning bidder, the SMC SAP Group. No? Uh, it required a lot of hard work from the technical working group of the OTR and MIA with the assistance of the Asian Development Bank as our transaction advisor. No? And last night, the pre-qualification bids and awards committee completed their evaluation and made the recommendation, which was approved by the board of MIA just a few minutes ago.